Hello. What's your name? Okay, Amy, how old are you? 8 years old. So how are you? You're happy. Okay. Now, Amy, teacher G is going to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Now, first is, Amy, what do you want to eat? Right? I want to eat. Are you ready? Okay, start. Go. Okay, what do you want to eat? Okay. Next is, let's proceed with drink. Okay? Yes. Amy, what do you want to drink? Are you ready? Okay, go. What do you want to drink? Juice. Okay, next. What do you want to drink? Okay, very good. Now, next is, let's talk about what do you like to do? Alright? Teacher G, I like to read. Okay? So, how about you? What do you like to do? Are you ready? Okay. So, what do you like to do? What do you like to do? Okay, very good. What do you like to do? Read. Again, I like to read. Okay, next is, let's have jobs. Okay, what does she do and what does he do? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So, what does she do? She. Okay, now next, what does he do? Police officer. Okay, next, what does she do? Doctor. Okay, now next, what does he do? Pilot. Okay, very good. Goodbye.